Hi students, welcome to week 5, module 5. You'll continue this week with the building of your speech as you learn more about organizing a speech and outlining a speech. I want to remind you that the textbook and the videos that are in the module are very important for you to read and watch. That's where you're going to get the knowledge that you need to continue building your speech. This week you also have a peer presentation. That will also help your learning about these topics. In the discussion board, you will write about the organizational pattern for your speech, and you'll write 3 main points for your speech. You can see how every week we take another step further and further into the speech writing process. Hey, I have been very impressed with your weekly speech prompts, and you're going to have another one this week. We are moving back into VoiceThread so that you can respond to your peers. And if you make a mistake, that you can delete it yourself. We were doing it in Collaborate because I wanted to make sure that everyone know how to do that for the peer presentations, and you do. So good job there. All right, I think that's it's a very full week. So good luck to you. If I can help you out, please contact me. Have a good one. Bye-bye.